Do you know more than 300 billion emails are being sent on a daily basis? According to the research, 69% of the small business owners rely on email as a primary source of income. And we all know that email has become an important part of our daily lives. And many people can't go more than few hours without checking it. Just like WhatsApp, many people can't go even for an hour. So in this video, I will be sharing 5 email marketing mistakes that you need to avoid to grow fast. Hi guys, my name is Shelly. I am a business analyst turned online marketer. Just grab your notepads, pen and paper and hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel as well. Now let us begin. The first mistake that marketers make is by not welcoming subscribers. Now let me give you a short example through which you will get a better clarity. Suppose your friend is at your doorstep and you just open the door and leave without welcoming or greeting. That obviously would have a bad impact, right? Similarly, the subscriber who came to your website and submitted their information, it won't be justified if they won't receive their greeting email and get to know about you, your product and service. And you know what will happen later? They will forget about you. So what's the main purpose of capturing the information in the first place? You know what I mean? So my recommendation to you is to send a welcome email to the subscribers as soon as they submit their information. Otherwise, they may forget about you. And welcome emails have high open rates. And you know that welcome emails generate 20% more revenue than marketing messages. This is crazy, right? So just keep this in mind. As soon as the subscriber enters their details, make sure to send a welcome email, okay? The second most common mistake I have seen marketers make is that they forget to add a clear call to action button, okay? A call to action is a button or a link prompting readers to click, and this ultimately will increase the click-through rate. Also, one important thing I would like to clarify here is that simple hello and hi messages won't work these days. You have to send all the emails having a purpose, and also most importantly, you need to have a clear call to action button that will make you achieve what you want, okay? Subscribers are searching for a purpose and it is your duty to keep them engaged and satisfied. And make sure to show the call to action button in the middle and at the end of the email. The third mistake that most of them make is by sending too many emails. Sending too many emails will not only irritate the subscribers, but it will also increase the unsubscribe rate. So it is better to send a few emails that are more enough to convince, okay? The fourth email marketing mistake is sending unprofessional emails. Never ever rush to send unprofessional messages. I know you would be thinking that in the above point I said that when the subscriber would sign up, send them emails right away as a welcome email. But see, here is the thing. Professionalism in emails makes subscribers believe that it is something, trustworthy and legit. So remember, there should be proper outline prepared with you, and you should also have a software to clear all the grammatical errors and to make edits and proofread so that within a few minutes you are ready to send emails. Last is not to prioritize signups, but to prioritize building a definite email list having quality subscribers, okay? This one thing is the last thing to be corrected by your side to become a pro in email marketing. There is no point, trust me, there is no point in sending emails to all the people on your list. Send to those who actually are interested. Now suppose you have an online portal and you recently launched products for, let's say, mothers, okay? Then there will be no reason to send those emails to teenagers, right? It is absolutely a waste of time and resources. So think wisely and have a proper email list of desired subscribers only who will definitely make you achieve your goal, okay? So I hope you found this particular video useful, and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my VIP Facebook group. Okay, this Facebook group is all about how to start your own business without knowledge or experience. You can take the knowledge and start your own super profitable business in 90 days. Okay, so if you are interested in making $3,000 a month, join my free Facebook group. You can find the link below this video. Okay, go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in that group. If you are looking for something get rich quick business, please don't join. Join only if you are serious about starting your online business. Okay, I will see you there. Thank you so much for watching it so far. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.